Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to stop Chrome notifications on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for settings and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Scroll down in this interface. What you have to do is find the option for site settings. Once you find the option for site settings, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the site settings interface. You'll be able to find the section for permissions over here. You'll be able to find the options like location, camera, microphone, notifications, etc. Tap on this option, notifications. Now you'll be led to the notifications interface. You can see over here right now notifications are turned on. If you want to turn it off, simply toggle off this button that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here all the notifications will be blocked. That means now you'll not receive the notification from Chrome. So that is how you stop Chrome notifications on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.